So right now we are at the Toys R Us, and it's pretty stocked in the Hayward store. So we're gonna check it out. It's like a cat. She said, "Mama." She's like doing a twirl or something. Aww. Social, huh? Oh, watch out! Teddy bunny. It's like the size of you. Get on? Want help? Hey, we're having, what are these called? Pokeballs? Yeah. Trying to help clean the table? Is that what you see Mommy do a lot? Wiping things? Yeah, I do wipe things a lot. Aww. You dancing? Yeah? Do you see the rainbow right there?
Right there.
So cute. Are you enjoying the star breath? Star breath, we have a box. When I get my camera out, she'll smile and stuff. Even you will sometimes too. Is that your new chair? Yeah, we got that at Toys R Us, huh? It fits you. It's just your size. Yeah, finished using it up. And then because we got the water pail, that, you know, he just spent his money on. But yeah, I mean, you know, we used it up, so there's no more Babies R Us gift cards. It's all used up. No, a little bit more prepared for summer. She's got a little chair. sit next to Bear and you. She's smiling.
Yeah, I know it's good.
Yeah. I think she's excited that it's a light chair and she can move it around wherever she wants to sit. And then she's got the water pail too.
Yeah.
Yeah. She laughed. She's like, why? She's really excited about her chair, I think. You want to go outside? It's a water pail. I put water in there. You can water the plants now, if that's what you're trying to do. I gotta take the tag off, but I'll get some scissors. I'll get some scissors soon. Yeah? Are you gonna water the plants now? You like the watering pail at Toys R Us, so now you can water the plants. I'm not a flower. You want me to show you? Oh, jury duty? Oh, how nice and lovely. I'll just put that I'm breastfeeding. See? Look. I'm gonna pour it. Oh, no? Okay. You do it. You show me. You're the expert here. Or the trainee. I'd say the trainee, really. You want some help? Yeah, okay, look. Look at what Mommy's doing, okay? Ah! You see? That's water and it comes out. You get it? It's a watering pail. You can water plants with it.
And outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she's probably thinking about the plants inside the house.
Yeah. But it's mostly for outside.
Yeah.
Inside they might go
I was curious if that was really a watering pail, if it worked, and it does. Oh, somebody has enough copper.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Well, like preventative.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want me to come and play ball?